In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the technology that's coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Let's go ahead and show you how to unlock this Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime so you can use it with any carrier. First thing is go to the phone app. You're going to type in *#06#. That's going to show you your IMEI. Make sure you write down that first number. You're going to need that later on in the video. Next, we're going to go to Google Chrome. And you're going to type in the website, theunlockingcompany.com. This is the site we're going to be using to unlock the phone. You're going to fill out a couple of the prompts on the screen, starting with the manufacturer. So Samsung. And the model is going to be the Galaxy J7 Prime. Okay, Galaxy, getting close, J7 Prime. Tap unlock now. We're going to fill out a few more prompts on the next screen here. So where you purchased the phone, the country, and also the carrier, the original carrier of the phone. Click next again. On this final page, you're going to enter information starting with the IMEI, which we got in the first step of the video. So let's go ahead and put in our IMEI right there. First and last name. Your email address. Specifically the email address that they're going to send you the response with the final instructions on how to do the unlock. And you're going to put in your phone number in this step right here. Before you hit order now, make sure you read the disclaimer right here. It just talks about understanding carriers, specifically that you unlocking the phone is going to allow you to use the phone with GSM carriers. So GSM carriers include AT&T, T-Mobile, Metro PCS, Cricket, Consumer Cellular, and a few others. And it's important to note that you will not be able to use it with CDMA networks, which are companies such as Verizon, Sprint, Boost Mobile, C Spire, and a few others. So if you don't see the carrier that you want to use the phone with on this page, just there's one of two things you can do. You can either Google the name of the carrier and type in GSM or CDMA, or you can go to their direct website and look for a link to bring your own phone compatibility. Most companies now will have a page where you can enter the model of the phone and certain things, and they'll tell you if the phone will work on their network. So do your due diligence first before you purchase the unlock, because you don't want to get hauled this way and find out the phone is not compatible with the network that you want to go to. Last thing at the top of the screen here, you will find a support phone number as well as an email. If you have any issues, there's also a live chat you can connect to as well. You're going to tap order now, and that will get the before I finish here, you'll find the average price as well as your price. So you always get a discount on this website. And you'll find the average delivery time, which it really takes 10 days, but they just kind of give themselves a cushion of time. So that's about the average time to get the unlocking pin and the final instructions. From there, you're going to click on order now. And in this step, you're just going to power the phone off, or just simply take off the back of the phone. Actually, in this case, you don't have to do that, but you can hold down power off the phone. The last phone I did this for, oh no, I was right. So you actually do have to take the battery out, and the SIM card goes here. So I'm going to be putting in a Cricket SIM card. Put the battery back on, and we're going to put the back on, hold power to restart the phone. And from here, you're gonna wait for your email or text from the unlocking company, again with the final instructions and your unlocking pin, and that will walk you through the last few steps to finish unlocking the phone. The process to unlock the phones does change frequently, so for that reason we don't go any further than that in the video, because the ending steps are what may vary. So follow the steps in the email. If you have issues, go back to the website and either call the support number, do a live chat, or email them and they'll get right back to you. Hope you guys found the video helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll also drop a link in the description below to the website as well. Appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions or comments about the video, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.